Everyone, Gina here with Belly Beads, here today to bring you a tutorial on my 20mm egg shape. Look at this. I love these. Aren't they the cutest? And these are all ready to go to make something. They're all glazed and everything. So I'm going to show you how I roll them, because if you're not familiar with my website, I also sell the paper strips. And when you purchase these, you just can come to this video and see how to roll them. So let's get started. My supplies today, of course, are my strips. And there's 4 strips to 1 bead. And you can make 12 beads out of this package. And they all come packaged with a nice Ziploc bag. They come in various colors. I have different like patterns and everything. So yes, you have to go check that out. And that's at bellybeads.com. I will link everything below. I also, here for my supplies, I have a paper bead roller I purchased from JP Fun. I'll link that below. I use the number 1 for the egg shape. I also have my Elmer's clear glue, and I like this. This works for me. You don't have to use it, but through trial and error, it just worked best for me. I also sell these on my website. You buy 3 for $1, and to make sure, I just want to make sure that everyone knows this may clog, but to prevent it, continue to keep that cap on, and that will prevent it from clogging. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go with the first strip, and I'm going to condition it, and that means just running it through my fingers for an easier roll. Now the paper bead roller has a slit in it, so I'm going to go ahead and place my first strip in there. Now you want to make sure that, I usually use my index finger to have it rest on there. You want to make sure that you are rolling evenly, because that will definitely dictate the shape of your bead. I do place a lot of tension on there, but not where it's going to tear the paper. Now, if you notice, I was aligning that, fixing it actually. When you see that one side is, going a little bit more lopsided, you want to make sure that you pinch them together so they continue to be even. All right, so I'm very generous with my glue. I like to roll it through the entire bead. Okay, pull this back a little bit. All right, now I'm ready for the second strip. I'm going to go ahead and condition that. Place some glue on that end. Find the end from my first strip and connect the top of my second strip to the bottom of my first strip. Place your finger there for just a moment so it stays. Now, each strip after that is really important when rolled, because like I mentioned, if you don't roll evenly, it will be a little lopsided. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be so grateful. That will allow me to create more content of the same thing here, paper beads. Place some glue there, and you can click on the bell so you can see my upcoming videos when I make them. All right, so let's get to the third strip. In this package, you will get 12, like I mentioned, 12 beads out of it. So that's really cool. Okay, so I'm lining them up and very slowly rolling, very carefully. I roll in the car too, like when I'm in the passenger seat. I just go ahead, and it's very therapeutic. And you just go ahead and put a lot of glue on there. I always run it right through my fingers, and we're almost there. Here is the last strip. Going to condition that one. Place some glue on the tip of that strip and match it up with the last strip. Hold it for a moment and then do it once again. Oh, look at that. We're seeing it happen. I love this part. So yeah, if you get a chance, go check out my website, bellybeads.com. Like I said, I'll put the link below. And you can see, I also have jewelry findings too, and glass beads, so you can incorporate that into your paper beads. I also invite you to my Paper Beads Born Pretty group because we engage all the time. I usually do live shows in there, and we talk just about anything about beads. All right, there we go. Now, when you pull this off, you don't want to pull it off. You want to push it off because then that will unravel. And there you go. You have your 20 millimeter egg shape. Now, this is ready for PC Petrifier. This is what I use. I dip them in PC Petrifier, one dip to harden it, and then I use polyacrylic by Minwax to glaze it. I usually do 2 dips. I also have a video out on how to dip them, so. And here's the rest of them. I would love to hear what you think of these in the comments below. What would you use these for? And have you ever made egg shapes? I would love to know. And also, do you do wire wrapping? Because I was thinking about doing that, wire wrap these. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for supporting my channel and keep on creating. Bye.